Okay, hello. This is the Year 10 Mathematics Revision Test 2 non-calculator. Hopefully you can see what I can see on the screen. I'm going to work through now the solutions. The images aren't the greatest, but hopefully you have your own test there, so if you have anything that you need to double check, you can see on your own paper. Question 1's already been completed. It is straightforward. 272 divided by 8. So you can see they're working through 8 into 27 goes 3 times with a remainder of 2. Or the remainder of 3 rather, and then 8 into 34 goes 4 times, giving you the answer 34. Second part of the question is straightforward. Question 2 rather is straightforward number work. Work out 500 minus 272. So we have 500, apologies for the bad writing, 500 minus 272. You can perhaps work it out in your head, I guess. But you can see that it's a 2-mark question, so there should be some evidence of working out there if at all possible. So we're going to borrow from the 5. That will leave that as 4. We need to continue to borrow, so that's going to be 9, and that will become 10. So 2 from 10 leaves you with 8. 7 from 9 leaves you with 2. And 2 from 4 leaves you with 2, giving you an answer of 228. 26 million in figures. Well, we have 26 and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 26 million, so we have a 26 and 6 zeros. Okay, so question 3, we have 3.27 squared. Now this is quite a difficult question to do without a calculator. We're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number, so you need to take care as you go. So we'll just have here, remember the definition of squaring something, it's 327 multiplied by 327, so 7 sevens give me 49. 7 twos are 14, plus the 4 gives me 18. 7 threes are 21, plus the extra 1 gives me 22. Okay, now I'm going to be multiplying by tens, so I put down my 0. 2 sevens, they will give me 14. 2 gives me 4, and 1 is 5. And 2 threes give me 6. Now I'm multiplying by hundreds, so this time I have to put down 2 zeros. And I've got 3 sevens, so 3 sevens give me 20. Oh, there we go, we can just about make that out. So 21. 3 twos are 6, and the extra 2 gives me 8, and 3 threes are 9. Now hopefully I haven't made any errors, but we now need to add these 3 numbers up. So this gives me 9. Then we have 4 and 8 giving me 12, so carry 1 and a 2. Then we have 1 and 1 is 2, and that is 9. We then have 6 and 8 is 14. 14 and 2 gives me 16, and 1 and 9 give me 10. So I have the answer up here then. 1 I'll just write it below because it's quite difficult writing with this stylus. So 106, 929. Okay, question 4 now. Anne has £10 to buy notebooks at 85p. What change should she get if she buys as many as possible? Now notice that it's asking about what change should she get. Okay, so £10 to buy notebooks at 85p each. Well, very quickly I can see that 10, keep forgetting to select a pen, 10 books that will be £8.50. Now if she buys another one book, the books are 85p, so another one book onto that, so another 85p, so that's giving me then 11 books, and we have to add 850 and 85p. So I'm encroaching my answers a little bit here, but I should be able to squeeze it in. So that's a 5 there. 8 and 5 is 13, so 3 and 1. So I've got £9.35. Now I haven't got enough to buy another book on top of that. So what change should she get? Remember, that's the question. So from my £10 then, I can see, so and that's 3 more questions, so there's quite a bit of marks here, so I'm just going to write down what I'm doing. £10, and I got to subtract £9.35, and the answer then is 65p. Okay, so that's question 4. Okay, question 5 now. Clara earns £7 per hour for working 30 hours Monday to Friday. On Saturday she works from 10 AM to 3 PM for £10 per hour. How much is her total pay for the week? Okay, well, Monday to Friday, I'll just write M to F. She gets £7 per hour multiplied by 30 hours. So that gives us then a total of 210 pounds. Okay, so 7 times 30, 210 pounds. On Saturday she works from 10 AM to 3 PM. So Saturday, well, the first thing I got to work out there, 10 AM to 3 PM, that's 6 hours. Okay, so that's £10 by 6 hours. Okay, so that equals £60 then. Well, how much is our total pay for the week? So our total pay for the week, and again it's a 4-mark question here, so I'm going to make sure that they'll let the person who's marking my exam know what I'm doing here to come up with the answer. So it's 210, and I'm going to add on the £60. Okay, it's a trivial enough thing, but it's worth just always indicating what you're doing, and I can get that quick enough. So the answer is 270.